Join us on a waterfall hike in the most unlikely of places. This is in the desert of Death Valley National Park. You will find the trailhead for Darwin Falls just 2 miles down a gravel road outside of Panamint Springs. You will travel 1 mile through this canyon to get to the waterfall and a 2-mile round-trip hike. Be on the lookout for your reptile hiking buddies. When you get to this green and lush area of the trail, you know you're close to the waterfall. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on our next adventure.